Yo, what's up, y'all? It's time for Furnace Fest. All right, and here we are. Stephanie driving the car. She's not feeling like she's prepped and ready yet for video, but we are officially on our way to Furnace Fest 2021. Taking the Grind Time booth out there and vending all weekend and taking y'all along the way with us. So, Stephanie, you ready for Furnace Fest?
Yeah.
You ready to be on camera yet? Okay, deal. Alright, we're gonna make a pit stop. We gotta get one or two things before we leave town, and it's about 8 a.m. Grab some gas, and we'll start this trek to Birmingham, Alabama. We'll check in with y'all here soon. What's up, y'all? And it is time for Furnace Fest. Yeah, we are on the way. We stopped right outside of town about 8 a.m. grabbing some gas. Me and Steph are holding down car number 1. Got Alan and Vic a little bit behind us in car number 2.
We're on the road. I got Vic. And we are headed to Alabama.
But yeah, headed out to vend all weekend at Furnace Fest 2021 in Birmingham, Alabama. Starting the trek from Jacksonville right now. Got to get there, set some stuff up, get as much of the vendor booth put together today as we can. So that way we don't have to do a whole bunch of it at 6 a.m. tomorrow. And then tonight we're going to see Norma Jean, Remembering Never, tons of bands over at Iron City. So gonna be a really good trip. Steph just filled up the gas. Smile. We'll check in with y'all here in a bit. All right, time for a little pit stop. Stephanie still doesn't want to do a whole lot video-wise. Time for a little pit stop here. Georgia just got me some Panera bread, and we're gonna go into the Tarjay. Yeah, check that out real quick, and back on the road. Let's go.
All right. We are in Alabama now. It is, I don't know, 1:30. So we should be there in like 3 hours. Hasn't been bad yet, right? It's been good. All right, so we're in Alabama. We're almost there.
Day one. Here at the Grind Time Clothing Concepts booth. Alan, you holding it down, bro?
I'm always holding it down.
You holding it down? You
Yeah.
got it?
Oh, yeah.
All right, good. Vic, you making sure Alan's holding it down?
I am.
All right, somebody needs to be supervised sometimes.
Somebody needs to supervise you. Stop you from talking to people.
Yeah? You holding down the Chex Mix? Day 1, Furnace Fest.
How's it going, guys?
The Grind Time booth. Oh my gosh. Some new
How's it going?
fire merch for that. We'll give y'all a little look here soon. Tons of stuff. Woo! Woo! Furnace Fest Day 1. About to watch some terminals. Taking a break from the booth. Alan and Vic holding it down over there. Hold it down. Day 2 out here at Furnace Fest.
That's it.
Round 2. Yesterday was great. Smashed.
Yeah, we
all day.
Crushed it yesterday.
Smashed all day. Under Oath, Walls of Jericho.
Oh God, Terror.
Terror, Converge, Terminal.
Thursday.
Awesome. Yeah, and today is shaping up to be just as great. So everybody's kind of setting up, you know, getting their stuff ready. Vic's on the telephone, you know, walking around doing this thing. We got everything set up. I'm gonna give y'all a little, you know, kind of peruse of what's going on. Nothing's completely sold out yet, but you know, moving through. Oh my God, these new hat designs. Hey, Lee Stewart and Rogue Lab, we put your puncture font to some really good use here, and it's crushing. So thanks for that, sir. But yeah, Champion fanny packs, we're getting real low on those. Conductor hats are doing pretty good, and obviously 6 colors, night shift, doing really well. So yeah, things are going good. Getting ready for day number 2 out here at Furnace Fest. Alan, you ready?
Been ready.
Let's do it. All right, so day number 2 in the books. We're in the books, y'all.
Yeah.
It was a good one. Day number 3 tomorrow.
Day number 3.
All right, I'm going to Cookout.
Oh, have fun.
Let's go home.
Yeah.
Day number 3 tomorrow. We're gonna crush it. Last day. My wife's a walking alcohol commercial at this point.
Oh, Boozy Q over here.
Boozy Q. All right, let's get out of here. Day 3.
You guys want a sticker?
Day 3.
Sticker?
Furnace Fest. Alan hustling stickers out here.
That's it, bro.
Day number
You
3.
guys want a sticker? Sticker?
Furnace Fest. Day
want a
number
sticker?
3. Hey, what's your sticker, bro?
Hey, what's a free sticker, bro? How you don't want a free sticker?
The hell don't want a free sticker. Out of here. Stock is running out in some things. Okay.
Good and bad.
Some things.
Good and bad thing.
Some things out of stock, but we doing all right so far. Day number 3, shaped up to be a good one. Steph back there getting a little nap. We are set up. We got a ton of bands today. It's gonna be a good one. How's it going, y'all? All right, we're wrapping it up. Furnace Fest 2021 coming to a close here at the Grind Time booth. Everybody trickling out. Last few coming down the long corridor. Y'all have a wonderful, wonderful evening. We're gonna break this tent down and then get ready to pack up, crash for the night, and then make the trek back to Jacksonville, Florida. So thank y'all for tuning in for the coverage of Furnace Fest over here on the Grind Time channel. If you made it to this point, go ahead and smash the mess out of the subscribe button, leave a like, and we'll see y'all soon. Thank y'all very much. Furnace Fest, we out.
Peace.